The secret's out. Understanding, keep it classified. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a phrase you might have heard but not fully understood. Keep it classified. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video is designed to shed light on the nuances of this intriguing phrase. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets together. Keep it classified is a phrase that often appears in movies, TV shows, and novels, especially those involving spies, government agencies, or secretive operations. But what does it actually mean? To keep something classified means to maintain the secrecy of information, ensuring it is not disclosed or shared with unauthorized individuals. The term classified itself refers to information that has been deemed confidential due to its sensitivity or potential impact on security or privacy. The context in which keep it classified is used can greatly affect its meaning and implications. In a government or military setting, it refers to the protection of sensitive information related to national security. However, in a corporate or personal context, it might simply mean keeping certain details private, such as project plans or personal matters. Understanding the context is crucial to grasp the full meaning and seriousness of the phrase. Using keep it classified correctly in conversation or writing requires an understanding of its weight and implications. It's not a phrase for everyday use but is reserved for situations involving genuinely sensitive or secret information. When someone says to keep it classified, they are entrusting you with information under the assumption that you understand the importance of keeping that information private. Keep it classified is more than just a cool-sounding phrase from spy movies. It's a serious instruction about safeguarding information. Whether you're discussing state secrets or personal details, understanding and respecting the confidentiality implied by this phrase is crucial in any language. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of keep it classified for you. Remember, the power of language lies in both the words we choose and the secrets we keep. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.